Hello, good morning. We are from Group 10. Today, we are going to present about service-oriented architecture implementation on banking industry. The group members of Group 10, the first one is Alfred Dulstari and myself, Albert Nicholas Agustinus Leri.
Introduction in the banking industry. The world of banking is one of the business fields that has a high level of the competition, providing better service to prospective consumer and consumer will be able to influence the progress of a bank. One of the services that is currently being improved is to provide confidence to customer as bank consumer in conducting transactions through various technological devices and media. There have been many applications of technology in the banking sector finished long ago. Several uses of the technology bank are required to have sophisticated technology, namely providing online transaction services such as automated teller machine, internet banking, and short message banking services. Interoperability has become another support for a bank, where transaction data communication can run with various other bank systems to become customer. A bank can be served by another bank with it to process the appropriate transaction is needed. This can be done at this time by utilizing a service-oriented architecture. SWA implementation in the bank. The bank's implementation of SOA is characterized by components or services that are built and can interact with each other freely and loosely. By being loose coupled, a service can be called by other programs or services without the calling program needed to pay attention to where the location of the called service is located and what platform or technology the service uses. This coupling is very important for a bank because it means that a call for a service with another service can be done at runtime. You can see this picture. This picture shows a schema where one server can connect to other server and at different places and can retrieve data from one place to another place. I have one sample cases. A customer is registered with a bank in City A, and because of her job, a customer has to move to City B. So, he transfers all the data, including the bank account he has, that he can easily get it if there is a sudden need. While visiting a bank in City B, he does not need to register or open new saving account. The customer only needs to bring his identity and a saving book he has. Then, will the bank in City B get all the data it created in City A? In this context, a bank has several different divisions, such as customer management, marketing, and pricing. In each division, they can retrieve consumer data from other divisions very easily. Not only one server, a bank can retrieve customer data from all separate bank branches. At the time, the sole process ran well in a bank, which made it easier for all the service a bank had.
Now, I'm going to present about service-oriented architecture, better solution for a bank. There are 5 reasons why service-oriented architecture is good for banking industry. The first one is integrate once and connect many. The system integrated in service bus, then point to point that going to save a lot of money. The second one is good level business service. It can construct high level and high value business process and then connect the lower level of operation into business service. The third one is flexibility. Multiple service can be constructed from the integration from the existing application and then the new and the new process can be constructed for the system. And then the first one is the adaptability to change. The service can be retired or it can be replaced. Then the last one is the increment approach. It can add a new integration for the specific project or a specific business or in a specific time. Advantage and disadvantage of service-oriented architecture. The advantage of service-oriented architecture, there are 6 advantages. The first one is reusable. Reusable is it built from existing application existing service and it can be reused. And then the second one is easily maintained. It can because it is independent, it can be updated or it can be modified without affecting to the other service. The third one is platform independent. It can interact with separate app application over a common language. And then the fourth one is high availability. It available to anyone who requests. And then increased reliability, generate a reliable application because it's easier to debug a small service than a large code. And then the last one is scalable. The scalable it can run in different services within an environment.
Thank you for your attention. Sorry for any mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.